That's 3868, 3304, and 3052. Wow, everybody, if you enjoyed this train video, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this train video. Can you do that for me? I would love that if you could do that for me. That way other train people will come and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? And check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified. Also, leave comments. I'd like to know what you thought about this train video. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video will be over. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.